As a motorist preparing to turn left at an intersection, you must be on the lookout for motorcyclists falling behind vehicles and oncoming traffic. Before turning left, be patient, look twice, and check for a motorcyclist behind a passing car. As a motorcyclist, part of the responsibility rests on your shoulders when approaching the intersection. It is important to make yourself highly visible to oncoming traffic turning left. Positioning yourself in the far left of the lane allows motorists to easily see and be aware of a motorcyclist. Motorcyclists should avoid placing themselves in a single file line. This position makes the motorcyclist less visible to surrounding motorists. Attention and patience are necessary habits for both motorists and the motorcyclists to safely share the road.